Hi brothers, I have a few more questions. I need to be able to add more of these boxes. I have tried to copy, but then I cannot write in these boxes. And I need to be able to put text outside here also. And I cannot leave the boxes. There has to be text at the bottom here. So how do I leave the boxes? I have no idea. These two questions, I'll repeat. How do I copy these boxes here? When I just copy normally, I cannot write here. Then I cannot change the text. Yes, you can do it here. So you need to show me how do I generate more of these couples. And the second thing to repeat was that I need to be able to put text at the end of these. I have to put some extra text just in writing without boxes. So I cannot figure this out. I hope you're able to help me. Bye bye.